In this calculus tutorial, I would like to show you guys how to find the derivative of this function. And this is a crazy one because first, we have a power rules case. Second, chain rule. Third, in fact, we also need a product as well. But it's okay, we're just going to relax and then just calm down first. I'll show you guys, I'll take care of you guys how to finish this question so you guys can do it too. So here we go. Product rule in action. Because this is a product of two functions, right? There's a dot technically. Just remember there's a multiplication. So f prime of x. The product rule says we are going to keep the first function, which is just write it down 4x plus 5 and then third power. Then we will have to multiply by the derivative of the second. What's the derivative of this though? Well, first we put the 4 to the front, so we multiply by 4 and then we keep the inside. X squared minus 2x plus 5. And then this right here, subtract 1, so we get 3. Then we will have to use the chain rule because the inner function right here, right? The derivative is what? The derivative of x squared is 2x, and then the derivative of minus 2x is minus 2, and the derivative of plus 5 is just 0. But it has two terms, so make sure we put a parentheses. All right? So that's the first function times the derivative of the second. So if you are not so comfortable finding the derivative right here, make sure you check out the previous video in this playlist. Right? Now, let's do the other part. We are going to add the second function. The second function is this, so we just write it down. We have x squared minus 2x plus 5 raised to the fourth power. Then we multiply by the derivative of the first. Derivative of the first is a power situation. Put the power to the front, so we multiply by 3, and then write down the inside. Power minus 1, so 3 minus 1, we have 2. Then, again, we use the chain rule. Derivative of 4x plus 5, well, just going to be a 4, so we multiply by a 4 right here. Just like that. So, take a look, make sure that you understand each and every part. This is the derivative of that. This is the derivative of the first. Now, good news for you guys. We're done with the calculus. Bad news for you guys. We have to do the algebra. So let's see how we can actually get the answer. It seems that we can factor a lot of things. For example, this and that, they both have 4x plus 5, and we factor out the smaller exponent, which is the second. So let me write down. We have a 4x plus 5 to the second power. All right? Keep that in mind. For the red part, we can also factor out the third power, right? Smaller exponent. So let's also write that down. X squared minus 2x plus 5 to the third power. What else can we factor out though? Well, we can also factor out the 4, so perhaps also factor out the 4. I'm just going to do like this, do like that. So let's put down the number all the way to the front like that. Okay? And that's pretty much it. And I'm just going to multiply with the rest. Let's write down the rest here. For this part, the 4 is out. This right here, we only took out 2 of them, so we have 1 more. So I'm going to write down 4x plus 5. So that's that. And then right here, some of you guys might be wondering, why didn't I factor out 2? But we are going to multiply here and then combine terms, so it doesn't matter. Just bring that down. So 2x minus 2. Yeah. Then we add. Wow, I don't even know if we have enough space. We'll try. Here, we have to the fourth power. We took out 3 of them, so we need 1 more. Oh my god. So I'm just going to write down x squared minus 2x plus 5. Lastly, we need a 3 because this is out. This is also out. So we need a 3. So enough space. Just about the right amount of space. Here, let's just multiply out and combine terms. There's a plus in between, right? So multiply it out and see. So let's see. This times this give us 8x squared. This times that is negative 8x. and then this times that is 10x. So this and that together is plus 2x, and this times that is minus 10. Yeah, and then for this, let's just distribute the 3. So plus 3x squared minus 6x, and then plus 15. Finally, we see that this and that can be combined. That's 11x squared, and then this and that is minus 4x. Lastly, this and that is plus 5. So that's that. And I'm just going to write down what we have right here. 4x plus 5 squared, and then x squared minus 2x plus 5. That's the power. Yeah, told you it's a pretty hard one. Alright, so have a look. And I would suggest you guys don't just write this down, right? I understand that you want to see how to do it. You write down your notes, you did the homework, great. And to make it even better, I would like to suggest you guys to write down this question again on a piece of paper and try to see if you can do everything on your own, all right? That's how you can really make sure that you got this and you can get confidence when you do that. You'll feel much better after you know, oh yeah, I can do that. So I'm gonna leave that to you guys. If you guys need more help, I have more tutorials right there. So check that out.